This is a stupid, easy way to make $900 a week, according to this TikToker. Hi, my name is Darcy. I help people start and fund businesses. And so we have to have a good business idea to get started. And so I'm going to go through TikTok, let you know what's real versus fake so that you can get to the money quicker and faster.
Stupid easy way you can make up to $1,500 per week. First, you're going to go to bird.co. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Fleet Manager. As you can see, there are no upfront costs and you can get paid up to $1,500 per week. You just need to store the birds and make sure you're charging them regularly. You want to learn my favorite way to make money online? Give me a follow and check out the link in my profile.
So as it relates to birds, I believe those are the scooters that you can move around big cities in. And so one thing I would say is that those birds are very heavy. You would need to be a very strong, almost bodybuilder in order to lift these heavy birds. Then you need a place to put them. And so unless you have a pickup truck or a very big van, this is not the easiest thing to do. And so in terms of difficulty, I'm going to give this side hustle a 7, but I would say this is legit. But you have to have a lot of things together in order for this to work.
Back with another lazy side hustle that helps you print money. You might be thinking, that's not worth my time. Don't worry, you don't have to do it manually. This is where websites like dictation.io come into play. All you have to do is run the audio through a microphone and it'll type out the captions for you. If you get paid $1.10 a minute to transcribe audio and you do that for 8 hours a day, you're making over $500 a day.
So he said you're going to have to be doing this for 8 hours. That's basically a full-time job. Yes, you get to work from anywhere, but I wouldn't say that this is the best use of your time. When it comes to how legit this is, I would give it an iffy score, as I don't see this as a legit way to make good income. If you're going to make about $10 to $20 a day, then maybe this can work for you. This is a pass, but this side hustle is a for sure pass for me.
New side hustle that's going to go viral. If you don't want to sell, don't want to recruit, don't want to build a team, don't want to do MLM, don't want to do digital marketing, this is something completely different. So listen up. This is literally the easiest thing ever. And there's no cap on how much you can make. All you do is write letters and you literally get paid $5 for every letter that you write. This is for large companies that just need people to write letters and send them out for them. And basically, you're going to be the one that's going to do that. And they're going to pay you $5 for every single letter that you handwrite. There's no cap on how many you can write. And it takes about 4 minutes from start to finish to address the envelope and write each letter. If you do the math on that, that's a little more than $60 an hour. There's a lot of people that are doing this in like 2 hours in the morning and they're making around $800 a week. There's also one girl that has done this for 2 years and she works 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, and she makes $1,500 a week. That's $6,000 a month extra income. All you have to do is be 18 years or older, live in the US or Canada, and be willing to write a letter. If this is something that interests you, write letter in the comments and I will send you the deets on how to get started. By the way, something I forgot is they did add an affiliate program to this. So you don't have to refer anybody. You can simply make money to send the letters. Or if you're somebody that wants to refer people and make even more money, you get $100 for every referral. Go drop that keyword in the comments and get started with us.
When it comes to how legit this is, I am not sure. I have never heard of this before, but I am more than interested to try. If this video gets over 1,000 likes, then I will try this side hustle. I will create a video talking about it. I do like that there's affiliate marketing side to this because I am an affiliate marketer, and this is definitely one that I want to learn more about or test out. I want to hear your thoughts. So what do you think about this side hustle?
So for 2024, I'm about to give you at least three good ones. These side hustles are easy, simple, straight to the point, and you can start them today, yesterday, ASAP. I'm going to start with the most basic one, of course, that everybody see here on TikTok that anybody could do that does not take any effort, literally. Y'all, it's TikTok Shop. That is going to be the most effortless side hustle that you could possibly do going into 2024. If you do not have products to sell on TikTok Shop yourself. You can easily purchase or reach out to brands that are willing to give a free sample. A lot of them have a free sample button, and you can click that free sample button and request the free product, and they'll send it to you. When they send it to you, of course, you need to post it. I recommend doing products that you are going to use or that you actually like, not just for the money, but your honesty. I be honest. That's all I'm gonna say. Second side hustle, which is of course going to be the one that I always talk about. It's nothing new. It's going to be digital products. If you did not start digital products in 2023, you definitely need to start it in 2024. Matter of fact, I don't know what we was waiting on, okay? You could easily start on Canva for free. This is one that you could literally do with absolutely no money. You start on Canva for free, create your ebook with the knowledge that you already have or your creativity, and start selling it through Gumroad or Stan Store, etc. The next one is going to be print on demand. Now, a lot of people disregard print on demand, but I'm telling you, you can do this either one or two ways. You can create a whole brand built around print on demand, or you could literally create trending products, which is something that a lot of people love to do. They love to chase the trend. That's great because it's definitely money behind chasing the trend too. So it's two different ways that you could do that and go about starting print on demand. And last, this is not necessarily a side hustle, but still, start putting some of your money into a high yield savings account or an investment account. Okay, so a high yield savings account that I recommend is going to be Ally Bank, and then an investment account is going to be Fidelity. Okay, thank me later.
Overall, I would say she gave good advice, and all of these are really good side hustles. But I can do a lot more, and there is a lot of money available. And so TikTok Shop versus all of those others has a really good chance of making some fast cash. So you don't want to pass on that opportunity. Then when it comes to selling digital products, I would say it's more of a slow burn. You do have to build up a following on social media, which can take some time, but once you create it once, you're pretty set. So it is a really nice side hustle, but it will take some time. And then when it comes to print on demand, I am actually just starting this business with a business partner. I'd be more than happy to let you know how it goes if you want to hear more about it. And then lastly, I will have to say that her tips on getting a high yield savings account as well as starting to invest are really good. My personal favorite high yield savings account is SoFi Bank. I believe they have a 4.6 interest rate. And last year I was able to make over $1,000 passively. And so there's free money on the table when it comes to getting a high yield savings account. Let me know what side hustle or business idea stood out to you. And I can't wait to see you building. Peace, stay building.